The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
All right, before the clouds moved in last night, we got a little bit of a view of the moon and Venus. Check it out. This is the moon, obviously. This is coming from Stuart McDaniel, one of my friends who's a great photographer out there. Then we've got another shot, moon on the right-hand side, and over on the left. You got to look closely. That little dot on the left, that's actually Venus in the sky. So being able to see some features from space. Now, talking about in space, I should say. Now, talking about seeing some features from space and something we really didn't want to see. This is actually the Gatlinburg burn scar right through here. All of the burned trees and land around Gatlinburg from the fires the other day. This is coming from NASA in the modest satellite imagery they have. This is false color imagery, which is why it looks so green around here. But it helps us pick out some of these areas a little bit easier. Here you see Douglas Lake, Knoxville, towards the west, and there, the burn scar there. So unfortunately, something we don't want to see this morning, but showing up on our satellite images because it was just that bad. Temperatures this morning in the 30s. We're at 33 in Tri-Cities, 31 in Mountain City. We're at 29 towards Jefferson. Feel like temperatures generally around the same right now, 36 in Abilene and 32 in Wise at this hour. Temperatures this afternoon heading on up into the middle to upper 40s. We'll go 48 for Bristol, 47 in Abilene. How about some 47 degrees towards Grundy and around 44 in Norton with 49 towards Kingsport. We're seeing an increase in clouds ahead of a storm system. You notice the clouds around portions of Tennessee and Kentucky and a lot of rainfall down across portions of the deep south over towards Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas as well. All that's going to head up our direction as we go later into the overnight and into Sunday. Now, notice most of Saturday likely staying dry. See on our feature track here, just some cloud cover around for your Saturday. Then I think as we go later in the day, the clouds start to thicken ahead of that moisture. Then we see a heavy cloud cover overnight. So temperatures tonight, not dropping down to the 20s, probably only in the 30s tonight. Clouds kind of acting as a blanket a little bit. But notice what happens early on your Sunday morning. It advances past a little bit, but you notice a few peaks there of that white and some pink that showed up. That was a little bit of a rain-snow mix across our area. I think the best chance will be across South West Virginia and in the Tennessee, North Carolina mountains. Most of the Tri-Cities probably not seeing a huge deal of any snowflakes, but could see a little bit mixing in there. Overall, no accumulation expected with this, but you could see a few flakes stick to maybe your cars and fence posts, things like that. Now, later into Sunday, some showers around from time to time, some dry time as well. More moisture moving in late Sunday night into Monday, and a few showers could last as well into your Monday morning. Now, notice as we go through the next couple of days, that area low pressure moves towards the north and east. So a lot of rainfall with that on Tuesday. Then another strong cold front starts to dive south and east as we go later into Thursday and Friday. That's going to bring some very cold air into our region. And I think when all is said and done with the rainfall through about Tuesday, we could pick up about a half an inch to maybe an inch once again across our region. So some beneficial rainfall. Area totals are likely going to be lower towards the north and higher towards the south, as you can see on the map there. Forecast today, 48 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Looking like we're going to be down into the 30s tonight with that rain-snow mix. Here's your temperatures across the board. And the next 7 days, looking like temperatures start to rebound a little bit into Monday and Tuesday. 59 there on Tuesday, coming down to 54 on Wednesday. Interesting weather system approaching Thursday into Friday. Timing still a little bit up in the air about that one, but we'll keep an eye on it. Could see a little bit of more of a rain-snow mix there.